Drunk sex turns into jail time. In 2023, following a department dinner involving alcohol consumption at an internet company in Beijing's Chaoyang district, a 20-year-old female employee Chen became heavily intoxicated. After the gathering, Chen's direct supervisor Wang escorted her back to the apartment. Seeing that Chen was severely intoxicated and semi-conscious, Wang decided to sleep with her. To cover his actions, Wang secretly recorded Chen's vague and slurred responses, mistakenly believing that this would make his actions appear lawful. The next day, Chen reported to the police that she had been raped by Wang. She submitted evidence, including a blood test report showing a blood alcohol concentration of 210 mg per 100 milligrams and surveillance footage from her apartment building. Wang claimed that the encounter was consensual and presented the audio recording of Chen's slurred responses as evidence. The case sparked public debate over the issue of the validity of sexual consent while intoxicated. An investigation revealed that Chen's blood alcohol concentration far exceeded the legal threshold for drunk driving, which is 80 milligrams, placing her in a state of severely impaired consciousness and loss of autonomous behavioral control. Surveillance footage showed Wang holding Chen as they entered the apartment, with Chen repeatedly stumbling and collapsing. Wang argued that Chen did not explicitly refuse and had verbally said okay during the encounter. The court ultimately ruled that Chen's intoxication rendered her incapable of giving valid sexual consent. Wang took advantage of her inability to resist, and his actions constituted a crime of rape. He was sentenced to 4 years in prison. The court's judgment explicitly stated, when intoxication renders the victim unable to authentically express their will, any form of consent is legally invalid. Need a lawyer? Call Edgar.